Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 28 September. This is original video. The topic of this video is difference between string in a C and string in a Java. So first of all, string is a sequence of a character. So Java implements the string as an object, while this C language implements the string as a character array. So first we will see what are the strings in a Java. So as we already told that that Java implements string as an object of a string class. So there are two ways to create a string in a Java. First is using a literal. So in literal, the value of a string is assigned to variable at the time of a declaration. Then these the string which are created using the literals are stored in a SCP memory. SCP means string constant pool. So this string constant pool is a area of a memory in a heap. So this heap does not allow to store the same string in two different locations. So if we try to give another variable with the same string with the same string literal, then it will point the new variable to the original string. Next is the strings are made immutable because of the reason of security and the synchronization. For example, the two strings are one string is stored and two variables are referring to the same string, and if we try to change the string with the one variable, then other variable will also be referred to the new string, which will be ambiguity. So to avoid this problem, the strings are made immutable, means once it is initialized it cannot be changed. Then second way of creating a string is using a new keyword. So when we use a new keyword, we create an object of that string, and these objects are stored in a heap memory. The syntax of strings using the literals and the new keywords are as follows. First, we write the string keyword with S capital. Then we write the string reference variable or a string name, for example str, then is equal to, and in double quotes we write the string literals. For a new keyword, we write as follows: the string keyword, then the string object name or a reference variable name, then is equal to sign new keyword, again string keyword with S capital, and in curly and in parenthesis, in double quotes we write the string literals. So in the Java strings there are multiple built-in methods which are used to perform the specific type of operations. So now we will see what are the strings in a C languages. So in a C language, in C languages strings are implemented as a one-dimensional character array. So in this C language, the strings are terminated. The string character or a sequence of characters are terminated using the null character, that is backward slash and zero, means string has ended. So the syntax of this string in a C language is as follows. First we write the char keyword with the all small letters, then the character or string name or a reference variable, then square bracket. In square bracket we mention the size of our literal, then is equal to sign, and in double quote we write the string literal, for example welcome. Then the second way is we can assign the literals by using the separate characters. For example, char, then str, then in square bracket the size of a string is equal to sign, and in curly braces we will write in single quote we will write first letter, which will be a, then comma, again second letter b, comma, then in single quote again c, third letter, and so on. So in a C language, the strings are in if we don't give the null character, then C language will automatically fill the blank spaces with the null value. For example, in previous example, we had given the character array size as a 8, and we want to store the welcome literals in that string. So the size of the welcome literal is a 7, and we had given the string size as a 8. So the eighth index, which will be blank, though, so the null value will be automatically stored to that value. So similar to Java method, C language has some library functions which act as a similar to Java method, like string length, compare, then string concat. So these functions work similar to the Java method, uh, which which are the string length, string concat, string compare. So these are some major differences between the string in a C language and string in a Java language. Thank you.